rail fanning adventure. On July 26, 2024, we made a trip to Tweetsie Railroad for their Canines in Flight event. Pulling the train that day was locomotive number 190, the Yukon Queen. Number 190 put on a great show, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the sights and sounds of 190, the Yukon Queen, here at Tweetsie Railroad.
Welcome back to town, folks. Once again, please remain seated until the train cars have finished rolling backwards. If you've liked what you've seen so far, please give the video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to be notified about future uploads. Also, join our Discord, link is down in the description down below, and channel memberships are now active. You can join by the join button or the link in the description down below. As you can see in the hacienda, they have the Canines in Flight. We'll be seeing them later on.
During the second show of the Canines in Flight, the train departed mid-show. We caught the train departing, but we didn't catch the show. We did catch the show at their last showtime for the day, which was 3 o'clock. So be on the lookout for that show. We are now located at the Canines in Flight in the Hacienda. What they're doing right now is training the puppy on how to fetch and retrieve the frisbee. This puppy is 5 months old. While they were training him, the train departed the station for another trip around the mountains. Be on the lookout for the Canines in Flight show. Coming soon. After the Canines in Flight show got done, two blasts of the whistle was heard, and 190 departed on another trip around the Roundhouse Mountain. If you've liked what you've seen so far, please give the video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to be notified about future uploads. Also, join our Discord, link is down in the description down below, and channel memberships are now active. You can join by the join button or the link in the description down below.
Thank y'all for riding with us and enjoy the rest of your day here at Tweetsie Railroad.
Thank you to our current channel members. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And ring the notification bell to be notified about my future uploads.